Hi flower friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Michelle and I garden in Nova Scotia, Zone 6A. Today I'm going to be seeding some black-eyed Susans and some red Valerian. Now they're not going to be winter sown, they're going to be sown in the tray to stay in the house. And I will take you through how I do it. First to be seeded is the red Valerian. This will grow 1 to 1.5 meters tall, and it's a clumping plant, and it's perfect because I'm trying to plant a meadow in between all the birch trees that I planted last fall, hoping that it will naturalize along with the black-eyed Susans. And I think I'm going to plant some bee balm, some lamb's ears, plants that are tough and can deal with the conditions out there. Now here I'm going to only try and put 2 per tray, or per little pot. And now I'm going to go back to my 99-cent package of black-eyed Susans. The germination on these has been amazing. I've got only a few in the other tray, and I have decided that I'm going to pack this area out. And look how many seeds you get in that package. I mean, for 99 cents, that's such a great deal. And I'm hoping they will just take over in that spot. And I think that's what I've read about them, that they do have that ability to be a bit crazy. And I want that. Especially when I'm putting them in an area where it is wild. I mean, it used to be a meadow, and then I cut all the grass because we have such a terrible tick problem. And moving to this province, it scared the life out of me because in Ontario at that time, we never had ticks. I mean, I grew up on a farm and I never even heard of ticks. But here, they're quite rampant. So the next thing to do is just press them in so that they touch the soil and they're making contact. And that will help with germination. I'm sprinkling vermiculite on. The last part is putting vermiculite on. You don't have to do this, but I do it. Give the plants a water. Ooh. And I'm going to put the humidity dome on. You don't have to put one on, but I bought them, so I might as well use them. I put them on the heat map that I just got, and it's from Vevor, and it's 20 by 48. It's an amazing heat mat. So warm. Anyways, there they are, the next bunch of plants getting ready to start growing, and I will keep you updated on them. And here is the seeds that I collected. There's the fall aster, and I put them on the heat mat to kind of boost them up. And the clematis. And it's going to be a few years for the clematis to actually come to bloom, but I think it's just fun to try new things. And I'll give you an update. Here's an update on the seeds that I planted last week. And they're starting to come along really good. And I do see that there are a few of the mixed coneflowers starting too. See right there? I don't know, can you see it? Anyways, exciting room.